Hi, I'm Tanisha Jo Conway here at the Arkansas PBS studios.
And I'm Karen Walker. We're here to let you know what's happening this February.
We have some great programs coming this month, but our favorite is the much-anticipated Gospel from Professor Henry Louis Gates, Jr. Gospel is a 4-hour docuseries exploring the rich history of Black spirituality through sermon and song. Arkansas's own Sister Rosetta Tharpe is included in the series. Tune in to Arkansas PBS on February 12th and 13th starting at 8 p.m. If you miss it live, watch it anytime with the PBS app.
You can learn more about the history of gospel music in Arkansas at our gospel screening event on February 8th at the Mosaic Templars Cultural Center in Little Rock. Doors open at 5 p.m. so you can explore their new permanent exhibit. At 6 p.m., you'll be treated to live gospel music, a screening of the PBS Gospel Series, and a panel discussion tying the history of gospel music to Arkansas. Follow Arkansas PBS on Eventbrite to register for this and other upcoming free events.
Solve more mysteries with young detectives in the fictional Arkansas town of Mulberry Springs in our kids show filmed right here in Arkansas. Mystery League is back with new episodes starting Sunday, February 11th at 4:30 p.m. Watch live with your family on Arkansas PBS or watch it anytime with the PBS app.
And if you haven't downloaded the PBS app yet, now's the perfect time to get it on your smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Not only can you binge your favorite PBS masterpiece dramas, but all the Arkansas PBS originals are there too. You can even watch fun extras like the Dancing Detective videos, the Mystery League Kids' favorite book series. Check it out.
Thanks for joining us this month. Connect with us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.
Thank you for being a part of our Arkansas PBS family. We appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.